You know, I love how extraordinary. We're living in zero times. Roger. It's a madman world that's we're living in. Gotta keep your heads up high. Can't be giving in. Don't you let one day go by without presence by most high.
Dave, that sing, boy. Papi, how you going, boy?
Hey! It's a madman world that's we're living in.
You get scared when you see, brother.
Gotta keep your heads up high. Can't be giving in.
You don't know how we just do it.
Let one day go by without presence.
And everything in one.
But it's the only way.
Hey! It's a madman world we're living in.
Off blood, off crime, youth, them had a hard time. No guides, no sign, walking on the
No trial, Tobago.
No trial, victim of a profile. No hope, no fight, wonder why we hostile. False prophet, big profit, focused on their pocket. White collar, false talking, door hoping, can't lock in politics. Politics,
No.
economic tricks.
I invite tomorrow.
Rising, says commercializing, barely
Anybody could come by me
jeopardizing,
and pass with the rally.
hope paralyzing, rules need revising.
My friends and then I invite them.
Got to eat the warning.
See me on summer. I know you will come down tomorrow. Book a ticket and come down. Happy Diwali, Merry Christmas, everything in one, all holiday in one. I celebrate all holiday in one. Every day in a holiday for me. Every day I live in a Christmas, a birthday, and everything for me. Every day I live. But we coming into the celebration of the Christian. So I say, yo, let's spread the life, man. Spread the life, spread the life. No, Monish Temple, son. You want to know who is Ogun? I'm pulling you up tomorrow after the Diwali, boy. Trinidad and Tobago. Tonight's topic will be very, very simple. It's a madman world we live in. No, I come to talk about certain issues tonight.
We're living in zero times. Roger. It's a madman world.
Surrogate.
That's we're living in.
That woman we're going on surrogate that child for that Kia. Asking on Trinidad and Tobago. God talking here. We need to stand up for the right thing for the children. And I'm coming to the topic a little later. It's a madman world we living in, by all them prostitution and them selling all their body. Winding upside down, bottom here. Money flinging on here. And them fellas and them,
No
step for God.
No sign, walking on a thin line, sentence, no trial, victim of
you have to do as much as you want.
Wonder why we hostile.
Why, how long you gonna do that?
Profit focused on their pocket, white collar, false talking, door hoping, can't lock it, politics, equal economic tricks. Debt toll rising, says commercializing.
No, Trinidad and Tobago, this is very, 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 very dread topic. And I come on tonight, you know, Yogesh Bray, I have a big tune to boss here, man. I have a big tune to boss here, man, Yogesh Bray.
भगवान मेरी नैया उस पार लगा देना. O Lord, please continue to be my savior and protector. Until now you have taken great care in me. Please continue to do so in the future. If I happen to forget you, Lord, संभव है झंझटों में मैं तुमको भूल जाऊं. पर नाथ कहीं तुम भी मुझको ना भुला देना. I beg of you, O Master, never forget me. This powerful Maya of this world is ever ready to attack me. Please do not stand as a silent onlooker, but come to my rescue and do so quickly. Bhagavan meri naiya.
Will I come on to my people and tonight?
Right.
I had my chef in my program too, you know. I had to switch them. ACC and Wasa.
भगवान मेरी नैया उस पार लगा देना, अब तक तो निभाया है, आगे भी निभा देना।
God people. Dino. God. What I come to show Trinidad and Tobago. Or let's spread the video and let the world know. Not only Trinidad know, you know, the world look into this. The world look into me. All over the world, I touch people. Tonight is not Diwali, brother. Mr. Devdat, copy. Tomorrow you'll get the kurta on. Tomorrow you'll get the kurta on. And tomorrow you'll get all the saris on tomorrow. Tomorrow I lighten up my own dia. Tomorrow I don't buy aloo, I don't soak in chana, I don't have all the sweet drink, I don't have all the water. Right? At the end of the day come. Okay, yes. Louis, you know all what I went through, bro. Wow. I buy my water, I buy my sweet drink. Hello? Making the roti, we're making kurma, we're making parasar, we're making everything for Diwali because last year was my first Diwali I ever celebrated my life. First time I ever turned and nobody Hindu gods, Trinidad and Tobago. Today make it 2 years. I turn a Hindu. Always knowing how quick and how this thing turn. I was a Christian. But I always know. But the gods them come to me. Because of what I went through. And willing to dead for them. Willing to stand up for them. Willing to show the people in them the truth tonight, Trinidad and Tobago. We're lacking of God. We're lacking of respect with God. Women, prostitution, hoes, we respect all you. Get all your ass together in this country, boy. All them hoes and them, get all your ass together in this country, boy. And let me build this country for betterment tomorrow with little children, boy. Them buller man, them, get all your ass together and go in a corner, boy. All them murderers and them, get all their ass together, all the war money, we go try our best and make all them live good, so they will not rob nobody. Everybody find their place and find the time, the way in this country, right? We need this, right? Today, Johannes, how Diwali was last year, bro? You was by me, Yogesh there? You better find yourself down by me tomorrow, Johannes. You know tomorrow is my day. Tomorrow you have to come and organize and bring young Yogesh Bear and with the family from Point.
Namo Mahadev.
Now I'm coming into the topic just hold on a little bit, please, and spread up the life, and I'm coming into the topic tonight.
Jai Bhuvaneshwar, Jai Shiv Shankar Om. We bow to Lord Shiva. In this very beautiful Kirtan Bhajan, we sing the many names of Lord Shiva. We call him Mahadev. We call him Shambhu. Shankar. Shiva and Maheshwar.
So here we're going on. See, in all different names, Lord Shiva is the first yogi. He is the first yogi and he is not an Indian. He is the father of all Rastas. Big up to the Orisha, the 98 feet here long, the 98 feet long hair Rasta woman. Come down from America, or where she come down, we had an interview. And the interview she She said, Lord Shiva is the fathers of all Rasta, and she's the Orisha. Let's know the secret tonight, pundits. Nasty pundits. If I was in birth, nasty in birth, I would have given everybody a dia, a glass dia we could never done, a brass dia to light in the house to pray to God by him birth by. That way I try to give the people them some God and some food, light. The main thing in a house, when they don't have oil, what on? When they don't have gas, they don't have fire. They don't have water, they're not a house. They don't have food, they're not a home. Now Trinidad and Tobago. You see the same thing here? The Hindu is the first religion come out. That is Jehovah and Jesus Christ all here. Nobody could go to the Hindu them, but through Lord Ganesha by Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha. Lord Shiva said no one can come wrong and can pass through him. Because you know why Lord Shiva? Lord Ganesh get up Trinidad and Tobago. 1 minute are coming in. I will kneel down in front of anybody and pray to God in front of any day, anytime. Now Trinidad and Tobago are coming into the topic. Yogesh Bey song coming on a little later. Now Trinidad and Tobago. Let me tell you something. Yogesh Bey and people who locked on here. I have to give due respect to Lord Ganesh. Because when I listen to the methodology and I listen to the heights of Lord Ganesh, the two brothers, which was Cain and Abel, right? If it was Cain and Abel, the two other brothers, which was Kartikeya and Lord Ganesha, they made a bet who could go around the world 3 times faster than who. They win something. I can't remember what it is. Lord Shiva said they go win, or me, you know, whatever it is. When the Kartikeya had to take off, and he started to run. He ran around first time. He ran around the second time. And when he ran around the third time, when he nearly reached to the end, Lord Ganesha get up and run around his parents. They bet on, I think that they was asking them something about what mean most for you in the world. You know what Lord Ganesh do? He run around his parents. You understand? Who could run around the world? Yeah, who could run around the world 3 times? The gods now tell me to my brain, faster than so much. Who could run around the world 3 times? Faster than who? Kartikeya take off. The 3rd time before he go, Lord Ganesh get up and run around his parents 3 times and fell back. He bowed, oh God, you will win, you will win. He said, what matters most? Boy, what matters most? Your parents will bring you in your world? Oh, this nasty world we living in, with the hoes, due respect to the hoes, with the drugs, due respect to the nasty drugs, man, and the man, the Ebola man, and I due respect to them too. I must say due respect to all you. Now the people on Kia page, who texting me, all you know who all you coming wrong with now. When all you saying, I cussing one day and then preaching the next day, when Jesus Christ went in the tabernacle, and he mashed up that tabernacle. How the Bible put it and how the Bible put it is not so, you know. When Moses said, all you rebel, and he knocked the rock and strike it and the water come out, it wasn't so, you know. It wasn't so in the Trinidad and Tobago, not the word rebel, you know. When Jesus Christ had to mash up that tabernacle, so I had to mash up all the chair, I had to say, all you gambling in my father place, boy. When he come in, so and see all the cow and all the everything catch up. Next man bowing the ears, next man gambling across here, prostitute down there, and they using God kingdom to make money and to do them shit. But Jesus turn over everything, boy. So then what you do? How you could go in somebody's place? Oh, that is not your tabernacle, you will build that. But Jesus Christ, so it was meant for his Father above. So he showed the people them the shit they doing. Same thing Moses do. And the shit all you're doing tonight, Trinidad and Tobago, coming into the topic, is this word. Surrogate. That nasty woman, what going and make that child for Kia? Trinidad and Tobago. I want a place with me a new law, and I want all of to help me on this Facebook. And the people that locked on big Audi are asking all of our law. Because the translators on them, Bulaman nasty one with the pricks on them. I want a law in America when they go to wax that they must pass a law that female people must wax the toto. They lost the law. They lost the law, Trinidad and Tobago. And they're coming down Trinidad and Tobago for that nasty Kia. For you to come up here and you go make a baby for you and your Bulaman to talk whole day who prick longer than which one bigger than that one, and bull in bottom and push it in easy, and all them nasty things are going to be talking and growing up that child. That all they want to breed. And the woman making the child to girl up. God is sorry to say it. I'm sorry to say it. But they will see how God go work. God curse them thing by. It's an abomination to that by. All you too disrespectful by. This world, just now all you go see what's going to happen to this world. Just now all you going to see what happened to this world, Trinidad and Tobago, it reaches to the dregs. All sheep like one have going astray. Because the whole kind of people that back in these Bulaman and them is big man and woman, big mothers and fathers, Trinidad and Tobago, everything fail. Everything failed, Trinidad and Tobago. The church them failed in this country. Where is the church them? Where is the Kaliatri temple? Where is the mosque them? What work they're doing for this country, Trinidad and Tobago? All them church, temple and everything, close it up. No use to the country. Politics and everything, waste of time. Now all I tell Darren Lutchman how you going, brother. Good night to you, bro. Good night. Now all I tell me, you know, I'm going back today where I preached today. Hear what I said yesterday. Okay, this one. So much of that. Oh, so fast I'm writing by. The system failed. The system was built to fail. The system built to fail because why? If the system didn't build to fail, and everybody behave themselves, and everybody do nothing and no crime do, no police make no money, no lawyer make no money, no magistrate make no money, no doctor make no money because you will get sick and you will get heart attack and father get sick, go into jail and thing, doctor goes to make money for medical bills, government making no money. Trinidad and Tobago, everything about Trinidad and Tobago is money making thing. Trust me when I tell you, the vaccine money making, every single thing out here is a killing thing and a money making thing. Now Trinidad and Tobago, I learn all you know. That the system that they build, it built to fail. They build this system in government law by. Man law and God law is two different laws. And I always say, not all rights are right. Government must know how to handle citizens' right. And not all rights are rights. All you have to have all your law acquainted with God. And I talk about the Bible, the Bhagavad Gita, and the Quran in the courthouse. But your mother going and your brother going, son going in the court, sitting on this side, lying against mother, holding the Bhagavad Gita, lying against all your mother, and all your own mother and all put into court. Take them books out of the court. God vexed by. Man law fail. Man law fail. That is why they will always be so. All you go ahead and study man law out here. Go ahead and study how man does think. Go ahead and say doubt in Thomas. Go ahead and do what you want. Trinidad and Tobago, nobody help me on this Facebook for nothing. All you feel is Facebook give me something. Facebook, nobody don't give me nothing. If I help in a family, somebody else going to give them. No. I have a fella here post up. He named Toby. Right? Yogesh Bhai, you know Toby. Well, let me tell you something here, either man, I don't play. Yogesh Bhai, the same way, the first time I snap and I talk about Toby, is the same way I talk about the first time I lead on so too. But I say give them a chance. Give them a fair chance. And let me see. Let Wakaman see. Right? Okay, we cross that. Same thing going to this fella. This fella organized a piece of land for me in Cassenfield. I have to pay down on it and I pay in a plan. I was going to ask Facebook to help me build this temple. But let me tell you something. Me I ask nobody. I have my friends on it. And I have God. Because what God say yes, nobody can say no. And I go in and build my temple. And that temple, when I build my temple, it's going to be back to temple. Temple alone will be there. Because I will be getting other things and doing what I have to do. Amen to God. That it always have a way out. And if not there, I get a neck piece of land and grandy for my cousin. He had real land. He said, come and take. Real family, die-hard family. So from Trinidad and Tobago, Wakaman is good to go. I have a house in my room, my father owned. After how many years he get a year, he's the owner. John Williams by, leave Thomas Williams by, I the man by. He was the illegitimate son of Miss Amina Williams and John Williams. Peter Kalu was the outside son. He think he owned the house. Father owned it and he wanted. He good way he is here. Me more that too. Me what that too. Because you know why my family them living in it. How I could go and pour 3 and 4 and 5 children out of the house. Knowing them grow up whole life knowing thinking that was them own. Because their father lie, drink poison and dead and leave the house. Can't even live in it. The clock still there. The house can't even do over Redo. Redo watch how many years the house there. Hey Redo, look how many years the house in my area, they can't touch it. They build all around and do all kind of things. They can't touch about house because that jumbie there by. That is my grandfather in the house by. The man lie down and sit down on a rocking couch so. And dead by. He has blue eyes, John Williams. That was that Obia man, the lodgeman in my row. That way he is with the sword. The man with the sword, that is the eye. I return for him. I return for them. If nobody then take it up, his son take it up. And nobody couldn't touch my father. Because they drop it down anytime they come around. If anybody hurt him and do making it, they have to fall. So next thing again now, Trinidad and Tobago, don't support them thing. Don't support them Bulaman them. Don't support the children them. Look what's going on. All you're watching 2 man keep talking about who prick long, Bulaman this, bottom that, all kind of thing. They're raping little boys. All you're going to make them see about children. All you're going to push and support that shit what they're doing. You're going to make a woman take your sperms. You are breasts. You are breasts. The world know you can make a baby. You coming on Facebook now. You get what they know. The whole world and anybody that gets supported are going to keep alive. And everybody texting are going to jam them. Are going personally one by one on their profile and will jam them. When we go to court, I will upset all your followers them. I will let the world see who is nasty people that what they supported in this country. I have a way to upset them. You realize them don't come around me? Picture Trinidad and Tobago, you realize them politicians them don't come around me? Them politicians them try to pump on me. Mr. Gary Griffith are coming for you tonight. You vex with the magistrate them, but you that shit on by. You the vex when I tell you, oh Bulagari, take this some waka. It's because you're nasty, I got jam your way to Obia. That way you vex about? When I said the next one, they legalize gay in Trinidad. And Ian is ranking #1 Bulaman. The #1 Bulaman, the #1 Bulaman. Ian is the man, I tell you, Ian is the man. I hear you know, boy. When the next one called Bulaman Punisher, I will always jam your tattoo man, Babulal. All the man who carrying bullet and robbing all the block of them, it is a ledge. All the drugs and them nasty Babula with murder. Stacey Ramdin and Chemical Ali. You feel afraid them all? They have to run for me when they hear about Wakaman. They hear Wakaman. And they hear Wakaman again. Don't so. They're stupid. They can't even open my van. Come and open up van like all they get stroke and remain halfway so the next policeman foot swelling big so I always talk about it. Huggins. I hear in here. I hear in all here. Gary Griffith, you can be shitting at the magistrate them. Because the magistrate correct. When I was in the court, one of the woman gone and she crying to the magistrate. She said the man here coming. And tell the man only telling the policeman. The magistrate say, yeah, what's going on? You're supposed to get out 6 months now. This woman keep coming here. What's going on? She say, yeah, what's going on? Make sure. No. Give me a date. Give me a date that you're sure. Don't tell me you're going to think. Give me a correct date. And I'm holding you responsible for it. I say, the man says, sure, magistrate. Yes, magistrate. Jam them police on them. Gary Griffith, that step you make there, you fall again. And need the government and police protection people and people that are locked on here and Madam Kamla and them. All you pump on Gary Griffith and investigate that man by. Investigate all the qualification by. Madam Kamla, you fire that man for contempt of court. Mr. Munilal, Happy Diwali to all of you. Happy Diwali to Madam Kamla. Happy Diwali to Rowley. You understand? Gary Griffith, I will never, I tell you, you can't have my respect, boy. I'm sorry, boy. I love you. I hate you. But I hate your nasty ways, Gary Griffith. I don't like it, brother. You are doing nothing, boy. You're not real, boy. It's only fake and stupid people and people who confess to these spiritual leaders and we're dead for God. They confess to always be calm. They confess to be, yeah, you ignorant. And they confess to be them thing. But when really they're dead for God, they're going to run by. They can't talk. They can't come out brave and talk. They can't even text and pop a comment. They can't even do that. They can only go and ball fire for the gay. And I know who I'm talking about. I want to braven up all you. I want to braven up all you and let all you know it's time to come on the Facebook and do the same thing I doing. All you want to do it because all you afraid to dead by. Philip Edward Alexander, you get word. I put up the text them where I text say May month, Trinidad and Tobago, I had a son up and give myself a round of applause. All you tell me, let me stand up and start talk to all you now. Now all you tell me, you know. Tell me what really going on here. Monash Temple. You sending me message. Monash Temple, son. What happened? All the temple getting wood by everybody getting sick in all the temple by. And you telling me about Ogun? Ha ha ha. But let's go by Henry White by. And you, Monash Temple, which is their father, Tall Boss Jr., down by Henry White, whining, doing banquet with coffin box. Everybody in our area, coffin box knocking and a bird whistling. We all put a battery inside the coffin box to fool people. Them temple men having vices by the temple outside. So when you and your wife talking outside and she say, well, yeah, when we go in there, Mama, we have much money, you know. So and they're talking the business outside and then when before they reach somebody permit money here, everything they say. And when they start to walk them psychology, they say, hey, how you know that? Hey? But people out here, psychology to make money is easy, you know. The hands faster than the eyes, boy. Anything to make money in Trinidad and Tobago is the most crooked way. It hardly have the good way to make money. It 99% or 75% all the way is crookery and blood money this country running into. That's why it blight. That's why it curse. The last day for Bakra Eid Muslims. The Muslim will come knocking on my door. I don't organize and send men for you already. All you bad by. Beat up fellas and Mr. Friday from down Port of Spain, I love all you. I ain't no ranker. But not because all the fellas and them and thing. And all the fellas never show me hate. So I send out love to all still. Because me and all is nothing. All you is nice fellas towards me. I don't care about what's going on with thing and people let's say. But why I telling all you, I need all you to look into this issue for me. Because I straighten up Trinidad and Tobago fellas from down Port of Spain and Mr. Stanley. I straighten up them fellas and the country, what the shit they're doing. I want to make sure Levantin live good. I want to make sure the Beatum live good. I want to make sure the Beatum get things just like the millionaires them. I want to make sure all the Beatum Galvanized house belongs someday. I want to make sure all the flood come out. I want Beatum to be like a little America. All them gun shooting, I don't want it there. When I talk to the Bajans on them and I spend their money, and I have a man encourage the government or they give her and say, and I have to teach them and show them where the bacchanal coming from. And I have to straighten out Beatum, call up the Bajans and Beatum and let them know, hey, you're going to make sure and work, look this, I don't want this, As I hear that, I pull in and scrap in on them, and I talk to them. You feel them fellas, them going and do that? How you think Abu Bakr locked the street? He locked every tongue, every Bajan. There we lock it. So yeah, they get work from the pay sakat from the government. But the government wouldn't have crime because he keeping down the crime. He talking to e-boys and them. He letting them know, hey, all of you doing this wrong by. Hey, wait now, you rub down the road, go down the road now and put some clout on it. And if you want to hear the police them now around, put about 4 bullets inside here and throw you down in a barrel along in the back there. We want to hear you. He's a pest. God go, the Muslim have a way to think. If you have to kill somebody for the right thing, yes, you're going to do it. You burn the Quran, we kill you. You understand, Trinidad and Tobago? Now what you tell me, you know? Tell me what I'm trying to tell you if I right or wrong. Mr. Gary Griffith, you fail. PP, you that shit on. You lie. I have the thing. Trinidad and Tobago, all you following that stink red man, boy. From today on, I don't hate nobody, boy. I was jamming you, Philip Alexander, 2 years ago. 2 years ago, I come and talk the truth about you. And people who supporting you, let it continue. The people who supporting you, they will end up like an ass. I glad. You know why? Because God showed me to come and go to He. And don't beg nobody. Don't ask nobody. He will provide for me. My God tell me that. I will provide for you just like the bird. They work nowhere. They toil nowhere. But I give them everything. He said, I will provide for you, child. And He damn well provided it. Look, all the cases that sweet drink, all the water, all the aloe, all the chana. I buy rice. I buy this. Tomorrow is all bhaji, pumpkin. You know for who? For the people, boy. To get something to eat, boy. Look, mommy is the first woman send the aunt in the bag. She named Kamala. She respect God. I didn't want that. I don't want no money from she. But I'm trying to activate she faith, Trinidad and Tobago. Because quite so she husband leave to come on the highway to give me that. But they believe in God, boy. Even though if it's bad or good they want, they know it have a God, devil or God. Both of them. But I will straighten them with the bad intentions. I will straighten them with the yin and yang, boy. Telling me about coming and quell. I hear the questioning men and them tonight. People who like to question when I'm in powers. I hear in all here. Right now I'm sweating. The heat burning me. Fire, water, bucket of water. Wet me down, cool me down. All my head is heat. I will shave it, Trinidad and Tobago. Black Shaolin monk strike back, boy. Black Shaolin monk strike back. Next topic again now. Crook fraud, yeah. PEP nasty, boy. He get me vexed when he lie, boy. I don't like a liar, man. And Trinidad and Tobago, he just like Rowley. If he can lie for that, when he can come up and say, yes, Wakaman, you really text me, you know. And you ask me for help, but I really not in X by Y. But you get jammed, and for the whole year, from now, tomorrow, the next day, the next day, I will spread up about you, boy. By businessmen in this country, not going and invest the money where they go and lost, boy. I had the mental luck beat on, boy. I had the mental luck until, boy. We had the men with the money, boy. It's what I say goes, by. All you realize I pat down, oh. Me a pat down to I not in politics, you know. I pat down from cussing anybody because I decide I have to work with them, Trinidad and Tobago. Why will cost them for the next 5 years? I want my people to have something. I have to use this now. I need my people to have something because they're looking down at me. But when I reach up there, we go see who go look down now. We go see when they call Waka. Let that man play up. Let that Darren Toby play up. Mr. Yogesh Bey, you warn me straight on the Facebook and let everybody know. You say he's a scamp. You went to school with him. We gonna know when home time call, brother. I love him. Let me see what we gonna do. Next topic again now. Next topic again. Wait, I write out the book. I'll get some new book write out. Book number 4. Book number 4 to Tribune. I gotta write it over again. Book number 4, Trinidad and Tobago. Right. Kia what child, Kia what this, all them children and that way all are supporting to see a little child growing up with 2 bulla man, one ball and who totally bigger than one. And then they cannot talk, they be talking and all they're back in that Trinidad and Tobago, God vex on her. God talking and he telling me he vex. Mr. PEP get word. Darren Toby, we don't talk about he. Gary, Gail lost the thing in our way. Very good. Diwali singers. Chutney singers. I meet Crabman today. Crabman. I shake your hand. And I tell him, Wakaman, you need cussing me, boy. And you still talk to me, Crabman, Vishan Mohammed. Love, bro. Love, bro. Very good. When I talk to you today, you say you're correct, you're going up. So go ahead, bro, go ahead. I can't vex with all that, bro. Very good. Betterment of this country, bro. Now the chutney artist in the blasted Diwali, the blasted chutney artist in the Diwali Nagar. All you're going and singing Kungagana. No. Hey. All you. It's Ogun for all you, boy. Ogun. You. Mr. Rakesh Shankaran, Obiaman playing when I went today, and the family gave me a bag of flour. And they didn't know I coming, and they gave me some deer. You got making roti for everybody. Rakesh Shankaran, you have reached outside. You have a problem going on up the Trinidad and Tobago. I don't want to bring in that topic yet. Tomorrow topic is about Rakesh Shankaran. And it's about some family. And it's about the boat issue coming out in the public. And I put it in both sides in the public. Let me see if they all come and defend now. Mr. Bulbul, you're an Obia man. Because the little child and the next one that play Obia man. And they make him do Falcock prayers. Like Rakesh Shankaran, brother. And when I do it, I get sick. And you're eating up my Falcock and drinking up my punch and smoking all the cigarette. And your son dead. He get bullet in a plane for thieving. Right? Now let me tell you something. All they use the budget. Hade Joe, kade se chamake leleke mina jiara. And all they fasten Joe, kade se chamake and drinking rum with it, bay. And drinking rum with it, bay. You take a Brahmin song. Gunga Gana, I want to go in the Diwali Nagaran sing that an up-tempo beat by, but I bet up that cutlass on the head by Dubrad Singh or Dubrad Posar or whatever your name is. You sing one song, it didn't make the hit. Ravi B come and remix the song, it reached a big song. You come in and telling everybody, you know, they should try to sing Hindi. How long you singing and you never had a hit like that? You get one little chance and you're talking up, I will reply you, my brother. Sing any song again, let me hear you. Mr. Dubra, I can sing it in Hindi too, Don't feel like I write Hindi. I don't need to go by no pundit man. Wakaman does everything for himself and God alone. Me gada ho, meri saath naam chalo. Me jada ho, meri saath naam chalo. I give you all a little hint there. Right? Chumke ya body, I said chumke mala. Chomke ya body, I say chomke mala, me pyade tum ladiki. Me pyade tum ladiki, me pyade tum ladiki. Hade. Chomke ya body, I say chomke mala, me pyade tum ladiki. Chomke ya body, I say chomke mala, me pyade tum ladiki. Chomke ya body. Awo chalo sonita mera nam Karen. Come with me, my darling, let me go and have some fun. You'll cook the food on the chula, and you will be my dola. Hey, nana, your dola. Hey, run away with me, girl, I'm going to make you happy. Run away with me. Don't study about no money. Run away with me, hey. Bring your son a capra, and bring your picnic. And together me and you girl we start a happy family. Hey, I watch a lo sonita medan am Karen. Come with me, my darling, let we go and have some fun. Hey, I watch a. But them fighting me long by. That's what them doing by. And I don't realize the TTPS all they fighting me long too. But let's realize I the only man that jamming all the bolaman them, jamming all the nasty police them, jamming all the crook. Tonight, this videos tells it all Trinidad and Tobago. Bye-bye. Next one again. Continue attacking Magistrate Gary Griffin. You will be walking on here. It reach some dole. It reach some you get sick from it going so. It reach a Sharon brother, your cousin getting wood. Look how the Obia running. Watch how this Obia running. All you had to be fair with all you can't see. And me talking ranking thing. I'm talking about spirit. Spirit Trinidad and Tobago. You're getting a tune now. What about a tune? Aha! Right, I have a tune for you. I have a tune for you. This song, Rogesh Bey, your one coming up after. There we go with it.
Anyway,
till it's soaking wet. Down to the ground, they bounce all around and they ride all around and they jump all around. Wine to the left, wine to the right, wine to the back, wine to the front. Stand up on the table, wine on the ground, the chin they got blood, you fall where you want. Hey, real woman, plenty woman, sexy woman, anywhere that we go. Real woman, plenty woman, sexy woman, anywhere that we go. Trinidad and Tobago.
Not Gola man, boy.
The girl and them they find
Come
out.
on, Trinidad. Walk this road with me.
We the drink and fit for so.
I love how you wine, baby, just do your thing and take your time. Put up your drinks with all your friends them. Forget your worries, throw away your problems.
I ain't a pet, fight in a pet. Trinity the both of the soaking wet. Make it bounce like a check to reject it. Is all that is want is all you gon' get. In a me pet, Marshall Monday, Carnival time, the girl come out to play. Promoter that's looking me fast. Like a man in the chat, the brass. The best batsman, the best footballers, the best runners. Anywhere that we go, the best swimmers, the best javelers, the best in politics. Anywhere that we go. Trinidad and Tobago, steel pan and calypso, anywhere that we go. The best in carnival, the best in steel band, the best cricketer. Anywhere that we go, the best in chutney, the best in calypso, the best in soca. Anywhere that we go. Trinidad and Tobago, steel pan and calypso, anywhere that we go.
Go, Trinidad. I love all you. Lady boys have a command in here. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Now Trinidad and Tobago. At the end of the day come, then we go see where's raw talent. So before I go, you got a little requested song. This one, brother.
She's staring at me, I'm sitting wondering what she's thinking. Nobody's talking, 'cause talking just turns into screaming. And now I'm yelling over her, she yelling over me. All
Jimmy.
that means is neither of us are
Jimmy.
listening. And what's even worse is that we don't
Jimmy.
even remember why we're fighting. So both of us are mad
Yo,
for
it's best. Tell me everything
nothing.
made up for you.
Nothing. Crying for nothing.
Yo, guys, best said that since last night I bought it. Play that for Jamie. Play that for Jamie. This boy, he real like it. He like it too much. Yo, guys, like she say. She said thank you.
Thank you.
Yo, guys, I want to real like Jamie, but I like him. You better have respect, brother. When I mean you, never one way.
Never.
Talking at this shit, never one. Never one day, but I know in my heart. Yeah, boy.
No.
Yeah, boy.
No.
Are you ready? I know he ain't having anything. I know listening to it. Jamie Gill, date my friend. Well, you guys was a friend to all of me before. Well, he know me, but he's a more like with all of you. He used to see Jamie and Key on them every day. Yeah.
She's staring at me, I'm sitting wondering what she's thinking. Nobody's talking, 'cause talking just turns into screaming. And now I'm yelling over her, she yelling over me.
No, Trinidad and Tobago, that is what I want to do.
Listening,
No.
and what's even worse is that
Let
we
it stop
don't
play a little bit and before I go, I want
know
to.
why we're fighting. So both of us are mad for nothing. Fighting for nothing. Crying for nothing. But we won't let it go for nothing. Nothing. There should be nothing.
No, Trinidad and Tobago.
Like what we got, oh baby, I
Now, Trinidad and Tobago, I'm going to try to build my temple. And I want to bring out an internet radio station. And I would like to see all my people and them. Let me see how hard we can get to work together to bring this internet radio station out. For artists and young artists and the next artist assistant night. Very talented artists. And this internet radio station starting, it will be free. We're starting with a little turntable and a little corner with the same little thing. And we're going to be playing music. And we're going to be taking call-ins and we're going to be playing music 24/0. From the internet radio station, we're going to take the 3 times off and we're going to be taking Trinidad and Tobago. We are also going to have a studio too. So we're going to have a studio, internet, temple, everything. So when somebody come by me, put it live on the broadcast, put it live all the way. Yeah, I don't care, I don't drink free drink, I don't drink anything I feel to do. I don't do anything I feel to do. I don't do nothing to please nobody. That they can a human being I am. I do nothing to please nobody. I please my Almighty God, Father above, and do what I feel and what I know that is right in my life to do. And I am no stupid man. I actuated with God law, not man law. And not man, I actuated with that. So WAKA, we are kind all over. Wakaman, I will say. Wakaman going all over. And my people that locked on, all are going to be getting help. Help meaning that spiritually, and although know where I'm coming from. Love to all you. Bill Wakaman, wishing everybody the best. All who are jamming, still love to all you. Blessing, bye bye to all you. Have a good night.